In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SafeSearch on Google Chrome to ensure your browsing experience remains family-friendly. This straightforward process will help keep explicit content out of your search results, making it suitable for users of all ages. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your device. Once you're ready, the next step is to head over to the Google homepage. Simply type google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. You'll land on the familiar Google search page with its colorful logo and search bar, inviting you to explore the web. Now, pay a little attention to the bottom right corner of this page. You may notice the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a menu to slide into view, presenting you with several options related to your Google account and preferences. In the menu that appears, look for Search Settings and click on it. This will lead you to a new page filled with a host of customizable options to enhance your search experience. Here, you can fine-tune various aspects of how Google handles your searches, giving you more control over the content delivered to you. Focus your attention on the SafeSearch Filters section. This is the feature we're interested in, as it helps filter out explicit results from your searches. You'll see an option labeled Filter beside a radio button or circle. To activate SafeSearch, click the circle beside this option, selecting it. By doing this, you've instructed Google to automatically block explicit or adult content from appearing in your search results. It's a particularly useful feature if you're sharing your device with family members or want to ensure a clean browsing experience. With that done, you can now close the tab. Don't worry, Google saves these settings automatically, so you won't need to do anything further to ensure your preferences are retained. Every time you perform a search on Google, SafeSearch will now act in the background to help keep your searches safe and clean. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled SafeSearch on Google Chrome, keeping your search experience family-friendly and free from unwanted explicit content. It was quick and easy, yet incredibly effective. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. In the comments below, enjoy browsing the web safely and responsibly.